Question answer, chapter 16, class 8th. Now, very short answer type question. First question, question number 1. What is regular reflection? Answer is regular reflection. When a light falls on a smooth surface, such as mirror, or a highly polished surface, like shiny stainless steel, and reflects in one particular direction, then it is called regular reflection. Regular reflection takes place from the smooth and shiny surface, and here the reflected rays goes only in one particular direction. By regular reflection, a sharp image of the object is formed. Now question 2. What is refraction? Answer is when light passes from a rarer medium to denser medium, then it bends towards the normal, to the boundary between the two media. This is called refraction of light. Children, you can understand this. When the light passes from rarer medium to denser medium or denser medium to rarer medium, then it bends. It bends from its straight line path. And this bending of the light ray is called refraction. Question 3. Define dispersion. When white light passes through an equilateral prism, then this white light splits into 7 colors: Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. This is called dispersion of light. Children, we can also say like this: when white light this passes through an equilateral prism, then this white light split into its component colors, and these colors are Vibgyor. So this phenomena of splitting of white light into its component color is called dispersion. Now the question number 4. Name the colors in order they appear in spectrum of sunlight or white light. The order of colors is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and these can be remembered as Vibgyor. Now the next question, question 5. Name the main parts of the human eye. Children, in this question you have to tell only the main parts of the human eye. So these are cornea, iris, pupil, eye lens, retina, and optic nerve. Yellow spot and blind spot, these are also the parts of the human eye. Short answer type question. Question number 1. What are the laws of reflection? Answer is laws of reflection are: first is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence lie in the same plane. The second law is the angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection, or you can say angle I is equal to angle R. So these are the two laws of reflection which light always follow. Now the question 2. Draw a label diagram of a human eye. Children, diagram you are seeing here. This is the spherical rounded structure, and in the front it is bulges out. The bulges out portion, this is known as cornea. Now after the cornea there is a colored part that is called iris, and in between the iris there is a central hole that is called pupil. After iris and pupil there is eye lens, which is holded by ciliary muscle. The space in between the cornea and the eye lens, it is filled with aqueous humor. And the retina, this is the innermost layer of the eye. The space between the eye lens and retina, so this is filled with vitreous humor. There are the optic nerves which carry the messages to the brain. And there are two spots, yellow spots and blind spots. So these are the components of the eye, and these can be represented in the diagram. Now question number 3. Why is it important to take care of our eyes? Answer is it is very important to take care of our eyes, because eyes, these are the organs of sense of sight, which is most important, and it helps us to see the world. Now question number 4. Mention any 3 activities that may cause damage to our eyes. Now come to its answer. First is in case dirt or insect get in our eyes, then no need to rub eyes because this can be damaged. So we should wash the eyes with clean water or consult the doctor. Second point is if we read or watch television or do work on computer for long hours, then it may affect our eyes. Third point is our eyes can also be affected if we read in a moving bus or train or in a dim light. Now question number 5. What is the role of iris in the functioning of the eye? Answer is very simple. An iris regulates the amount of light entering the eye through the pupil, or we can say iris control the size of the pupil also, and pupil, so this allows the light to enter the eye. Now question 6. What is night blindness? How can it be cured? Answer is a person suffering from night blindness can see during the daytime but cannot see at night or in dim light, and it occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Night blindness, this is the disease, or it we can say this is the deficiency disease due to deficiency of vitamin A. Night blindness can be cured by taking good quantity of vitamin A in our food. Vitamin A, this is present in large quantity in milk, cheese, mango, spinach, carrot, tomatoes, cabbage, cod liver oil, etc. So these are the sources of vitamin A. So we have to include these food in our diet.